Hello kids! Today let's learn to write alphabets from A to Z. A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for egg. Egg. F for frog. Frog. G for giraffe. Giraffe. H for hat. Hat. I for igloo. Igloo. J for jump. Jump. K for king. King. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for necklace. Necklace. O for octopus. Octopus. P for pencil. Pencil. Q for queen. Queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for sunflower. Sunflower. T for tiger. Tiger. U for unicorn. Unicorn. V for violin. Violin. W for watermelon. Watermelon. X for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zucchini. Zucchini. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.